Carter, can you find the turtle?
Turtle.
Find a turtle? Good job. Can you find a yak?
Yak. Yak.
Good job. Can you find the kangaroo? Good job. Can you find
Apple.
caterpillar?
Apple.
Good job. Can you find the urchins?
Oscar.
No, we're not doing those. Put those back. Can you find the urchins?
Oscar. Oscar.
Where are the urchins?
Oscar. Oscar.
They're over there. By your milk.
Look.
Bless you, Kaden. What is that?
Oscar.
Urchins. Can you find an elephant? Good job. Can you find a flamingo? Here, let Mom hold your milk. Where's your flamingo? That's a rooster.
Oscar.
Where's the flamingo? What is that? Flamingo. Where is the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Good job. Where is the zebra? Where's the zebra? Good job. Can you find the snake? There's the snake. Good job. Can you find a hippo? Thank you. Can you find the iguana? Good job. Can you find the monkey? Is that a monkey? Can you find the walrus? What is that? Walrus. Can you find an octopus? That's a buffalo. Thank you. Where is the octopus? Where is it? Octopus. Where's an octopus? Use your eyes. Where's an octopus? Octopus, thank you. Where is... Yeah, there's one on your puzzle. Yep. Where is the lion? Where's the lion? Thank you. Where is the rooster? Good. Where is the jellyfish? Good job. What letter is that? It's a jellyfish, yeah. Where is an alligator? Good job. Where is the dolphin? You have a dolphin on your puzzle too? Yeah. Where's the card that has the dolphin? Those are numbers.
Yeah.
You have more numbers over there? Are you done?
No.
I think Caden enjoyed your little show, didn't he?
Mommy.
Look at Caden over there, laying on his tummy.